There's his other leg, Pete. He had it tucked up.
Crazy guy. Crazy guy.
Oh, look, he's tucking it up again. God, remember my mother used to stand like that? Wow, thing's big. Wow, I've never seen such a pretty one. Usually they're kind of ugly. Look at his tail, Pete. It's black and white spots.
Right, but I'm trying to do some work. I'm sorry.
Can't believe his other leg's right there. And he's got a lot of liquid coming out of his mouth, like dripping. Hope he doesn't have an upper respiratory infection.